Did Big B borrow 21 crore from his daughter-in-law once? Amitabh Bachchan is one of the greatest actors of Bollywood, and the Bachchan family is one of the most popular families in Bollywood. The Bachchan family is very much conscious about their public image. That is why they always try to hide their secrets. But nothing keeps a secret in this industry of Bollywood, and every news eventually comes out in public. A shocking news has been doing rounds that the Shahinshah of Bollywood has borrowed money from none other than his daughter-in-law, Aishwarya Rai. The Bachchan family tried to keep this news a secret as it would hamper the prestige of Amitabh Bachchan, so they tried hard to keep this news between their family. Big B is one of the most veteran actors in Bollywood, and he is known as Shahinshah of the industry with many hit movies under his name. Then what made this veteran versatile actor to borrow a huge amount of money from his daughter-in-law? Let us find out in this video. Big B has been in the industry for many years now and has given us many hits, but just like any other actor, he has also gone through many ups and downs. There was a time in Amitabh Bachchan's life when his movies were not working well and he gave back-to-back flop films. According to reports, the actor took huge loans from many people then and failed to repay them because of his financial condition then. Aishwarya was already their daughter-in-law then, and her Bollywood career was amazing then, and she was getting back-to-back movie offers. But on the other hand, Amitabh Bachchan's condition was so bad that he was not able to pay his income taxes then, which led to a raid by IT department at his house. That is why he decided to take financial help from his superstar daughter-in-law Aishwarya Rai, who gave him a huge amount of money. As per the reports, Aishwarya gave Amitabh Bachchan more than 21 crore rupees to help him pay his income taxes and all. The Bachchan family did not like Aishwarya at all, but when they were in need, they took the help of Aishwarya's money. According to reports, Amitabh Bachchan has not repaid his debts to his daughter-in-law yet. Shocking reports from some daily newspapers have revealed that the veteran actor has borrowed money from various people. Amitabh Bachchan is currently drowned in debts of more than 100 crore rupees, which he is not able to repay. And apparently of those 104 crore rupees, 21 crores is Aishwarya's money, which Big B has borrowed from her. Jaya Bachchan's affidavit has revealed these shocking details about Big B's financial condition. It also revealed that the actor has borrowed 50 crores from his son Abhishek Bachchan. Jaya Bachchan is also drowned in debts which she has made from various people. Jaya Bachchan has also borrowed 1.6 crores from their son Abhishek. The affidavit also revealed that Jaya Bachchan has a debt of a hefty amount of 48 crores. Veteran actor and his wife are idols and inspiration to many people, and their attempt to avoid tax was not at all expected from them. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.